Hello, my name is James Flores and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my DIY 12 volt battery box. I'm pretty proud of this one. So here is the battery box in all its glory. Let's talk about the box itself. It's actually a Plano ammo box and that was about 25 Australian dollars. All figures quoted are Australian dollars, $25 off Amazon. This light strip is about $2.30. I got them in a packet of 6, so one of them is $2.30. We have 2 USB ports, each having a USB-C power delivery and a quick charge USB-A. They're both the same and they're individually switched. We have a digital voltmeter and ammeter, so you actually see how many amps you're pulling out of this thing. And we have a standard 12 volt accessory port or cigarette plug. And we have a switch. The switches cost $1.10 each. They're in a pack of 10. So we got a master switch there and a switch for the light there. So this is perfect for use camping, four-wheel driving, caravanning, or just a simple emergency battery box in your home or in the car. You know, imagine your car, something is broken down in the middle of the night, then change a tire. This is perfect to have. And then we have 2 banana posts, terminal posts. They were from geeking. I think it's $5.30 for the pair. And yep, it's got a handle. You can spin it around, do all that kind of stuff. Let's turn on the master switch. Takes a bit for it to turn on, and there we go, 13.4 volts. These are not subject to this switch, so you can use the terminal post charging, extracting stuff, extracting power, without turning on that master switch. So this turns on that and access to the 12 volt accessory plug. Let's have a look inside. So really easy to open. There we have it. So inside I always keep a pair of spare fuses just in case. We have a 7 amp hour watt cycle lithium iron phosphate battery in there. Got a piece of rubber just on top to protect it when it's hitting these things, the wires. Spade connectors in there, and we have an inline fuse for everything, the main positive terminal. And I'm just using Wago style connectors to join all these wires together. A bit of silicone around the entry points of the holes that I drilled out, and yeah, that's how it all is. So the ammeter works, basically all your negatives go into here so it can track the power draw. So all the negatives from all my lights and accessories, they go all into the ammeter, and then one line goes to the actual main negative of the battery. Bit of silicone around there, and there is my 12 volt accessory plug. So there we go. That is my 12 volt DIY battery box. The 7 amp hour, sorry, it's not a watt cycle, it's actually a PowerTech. It's a PowerTech battery, that's from geeking. That was $78.95. So you get about 89.6 watt hours from there. And to charge this up, we have just a simple lithium iron phosphate charger. I think this is a 5 amp charger, and it comes with a couple of alligator clips, which you just clip on to the posts on top. Just clip directly on there. Quickly show you. See, you just clip. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Clip like that. Okay. And you can also unscrew these and put some ring terminals or the fork terminals under there and put them down, or banana plugs itself onto the top. Or you can put bare wires in there if you needed to and just squish them in. So I hope you liked my DIY 12 volt battery box. Altogether, looking at my spreadsheet here, it came to $173.71. So there are a few slight differences in price because I got a refund on this charger, a partial refund because they gave me the wrong plug at the end. This thing, I had to buy this IEC C7 cable, C7 mains lead for Australian plugs, came with the US version. And I have a J-Car trade account, so that gave me a discount of the battery, so got $8 discount on the battery. So all in all, $173.71. If you have any questions or comments about my 12 volt battery box, please leave them in the video description and I'll try my best to answer. See you in the next video.